Thank you for the floor. So my name is Edita Roberts. I'm from the Czech Republic, and I am one of the mentee schools. And we had a great opportunity last November to create something that we named Velvary. That's a name of our local town, Velvary Bet. We had an idea to do something similar that they do in London, because since 1985 in London there is a big digital technology fair for educators that promotes ideas and innovative technology possibilities for schools what they can adopt, and we thought that would be so interesting if we had something in a smaller scale in our little town. In our medium-sized school, we've got about 550 students, 40 members of staff, and we took the idea into the practice, and we organized this last year. It was already the third year of our local bet show. So we, of course, invited the other mentee schools from the cluster, and we created. So this bet show was a show for our members of staff, for other schools that were in the cluster, for governing body, also from the local governing body, for exhibitors from various technologies or digitalization like AV media or Lego or VR, loads of interesting exhibitors that the teachers could actually, colleagues could learn about and then take it back to their schools. We also made loads of workshops and shared and network with, we shared good practice and network with our colleagues about what worked well. And also we have time for we had time for coffees and breaks, because that's when the greatest ideas are shared. And this obviously sparked interest in one of our mentoring schools, because they are inviting us now to come and visit their school in May. So next week on Tuesday, we're going to visit another school that's in our cluster, and we are looking forward to see and learn about applications that are apps that are applicable in everyday education. So we are very excited about the sharing and networking at the Czech Republic at what we do. So thank you very much.